Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video I want to showcase this 3D model I made in Maya. It was rendered at 2560 by 1440. I just want to see how it looks full screen on YouTube. I spent a lot of time on the textures with this one. If you look close, you can see the difference in the bump map between his back and his underside, his belly. There's a difference in the texture there, and I mean all the way down to his claws. I'm pretty happy with the way his head turned out, his eyes, his face. Now, there is some stretching of the texture in certain places, but I don't think you would ever focus on those areas, so I'm not too worried about that. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, so I'm going to call that done. That's a wrap. See you next time.